Morning class 9th. This video is for you children. These are house is not a home extra questions, right? Now here extra questions means short questions and the long questions which will help you a lot. Question number 1, why did Jan feel awkward and isolated during his first year of high school? Now answer is Jan's position during his first year of the high school as the junior most class made him feel awkward. The big size of the new school and the separation from his closest friends made him feel isolated. Second question is, why did the author miss his old teachers? Yes, the answer is the author missed his old teachers. The author missed his old teachers because they would encourage him to get involved in school activities so that he could meet new people. They also assured him that he would soon adjust to his new school. Their affection, warmth, and cooperation in making him feel special made the author miss them. Now children, third question is given here. Answer you will get on the next slide. What kind of the day it was when a fire broke out in the author's house? What made the author and his cat doing at that time? Now this is the answer. It was a Sunday afternoon of a cold and the windy winter. When the fire broke out, the author was at the dining room table doing homework with the fire burning in the fireplace. His red tabby cat was lying over his papers, purring loudly and sometimes sweating at his pen. उसकी पेन के ऊपर अपनी टेल को वो टैप कर रही थी. Question number 5. What happened to the narrator's mother when she had run into the burning house? The author's mother inhaled a little smoke when she ran into the burning house. She was rescued by the fireman who put an oxygen mask on her after bringing her out. However, she was fine soon. Now question number 6. How did Jan's mother save important documents from the burning house? Jan's mother saved important documents from the burning house by courageously rushing inside the house on fire and bringing out a small metal box that contained those documents. She thus risked her life but eventually succeeded in her mission. Now question number 7. Why did Jan's mother run back into the house after having saved the important documents? Or I knew what she was after. Why does Jan make this statement is also right, observation is also right. The answer is Jan's mother ran back to save the pictures and letters of his father who had died when Jan was young. Jan knew that these memories of her husband were extremely precious for her and she did not want them to go up in flames. Children, yes, now this is question number 7. Okay, now this is question number 8. Why did Jan try to run after his mother and why did the fireman hold him back? Jan tried to run after his mother because he was afraid of losing her. He was afraid that she might get burned in the fire. The fireman held him back because Jan's act was very rash and illogical. Now here, not have saved his mother. Children, here, like here, if you will just say Jan's act was very rash and illogical. Like he himself was a little boy, and then if he had gone inside the fire, then he would not have saved. He could not have saved. Children, you have to do the correction here. Actually, in this printing, where li is given, even also I've given you before, also it is he. The is not there. It is the printing mistake. Then he could not have saved his mother and would have risked his life as well. Do the corrections wherever it is needed. Question number 9. Who brought out Jen's mother from the burning house? Why was an oxygen mask put on her? A fireman brought Jen's mother out of the burning house. She had inhaled a little smoke, and so he rushed her to the truck and put an oxygen mask. Put an oxygen mask on her to facilitate her breathing. Question number 10. Why did the author realize that his cat was missing? Answer. After 5 hours of a raging fire. Now here it is not ragging, it is raging. Raging means very angry flames. Rage means anger. That burned down the author's house almost completely. He realized that his cat was missing. He had not seen her all this while and realized to his horror that she was nowhere to be found. चिल्ड्रन रेजिंग में ये भी है, आग की जब लपटें उठती हैं, दैट इट इज़ टेकन इन दैट वे. ओके. Children, question number 11, it is given down. You just see the answer is on the next slide. In the next slide, why does the author say I was suffering loss big time? Now the answer is the author feels that he was suffering loss big time because he had lost his old dear school and teachers. He had lost his house to the fire, and now he had lost his dear cat whom he loved dearly. Children, you will just see that after this one, it is question number 11 and I have taken 15. It means which one I am feeling important, I am taking that one. But you will put in the sequence only, like that is question number 11. You can mark it as question number 12. Okay. Why did the author dislike growing up? The author disliked growing up because he felt that growing up had brought so many losses with him. Even to him is also right. He had lost his old school, his friends, his house, and most of all his dear pet cat. Now, question number 11. Generally, it is a bit different, that's why I have selected it. What is surreal? Why does the author feel that everything was surreal? Now, what does surreal mean? First of all, the question comes like here, something strange or unreal. जो बड़ी विचित्र होती है और जो सच नहीं होती है, अनरियल, लेकिन लगती है रियल. That is, the author felt that everything was surreal because too many unfortunate things had happened to him. जब बुरा होता है तो हम ऐसा ही महसूस करते हैं. His house was burned down, his cat was lost, his mother was left with no money, and he had no books, shoes, clothes, and the school uniform. उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था. His secure zone had been ripped away. Ripped away का मतलब है वो कट गया था. Ripped means cut away. Suddenly, and the changes were too much and too many for him to handle. और जो उसकी ज़िंदगी में चेंजेस आए, परिवर्तन आए, वो उसको हैंडल करने में अपने आप को उसको बहुत मुश्किल हो रही थी. वो अपने आप को असमर्थ पा रहा था. चलिए, ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. Why does the author overcome by emotions when he got help from his schoolmates? Answer. The author was overcome by emotions when he got help from his schoolmates because they had gone out of their way to bring him the things he needed. He was touched by their genuine outpouring of concern. Question number 25. When does the author say it was like Christmas? Why? The author says this when he gets inside the gym to see the surprise load of school supplies, it is not surprises, supplies and different clothes on the big table only for him. This seemed like Christmas because these assorted gifts were similar to the surprise gifts that one gets from loved ones on Christmas. Now, next question 27. It is not 27, children. You will put the sequence, then you will come to know. Why was it different for Zen to see his house getting rebuilt? How did the fire help him? It was different to see his house getting rebuilt because Jan wasn't alone this time. Two of his new friends from school were with him. The fire had helped him by diverting his mind away from his feelings of insecurity. He now opened up to the wonderful people around. Children, these are up to here. It is the short questions. You can make it out up to the counting you can do by in the sequence in writing. These are some long questions I have selected for you. The cat and the author are very fond of each other. How has this been shown in the story? Children, textual questions is this one, short questions you have got, but this question also can come in the long questions, so I have selected this one. The red tabby cat had been rescued by the author when she was a helpless kitten. She would never be far from him and knew that he was the one responsible for giving her a good life. He would get up early in the morning and teasingly disturb her. She would then tag along after him, climb up his robe, and crawl into his pocket to fall asleep. Jen loved her so much that he would allow the cat to sit over his papers and sweat at his pen while he did his homework. He missed her terribly after losing her and would go over to watch the clearing of debris with the hope to find her somewhere. When she was restored back to Jen, the cat purred as happily as the author felt, elated to get her back. Even the woman who rescued the cat knew that she was loved and sorely missed. Question number 2. What actions of the schoolmates changed the author's understanding of life and people and comfort him emotionally? How does his loneliness vanish and how does he start participating in life? This is also textual questions. Okay, children, what role did Jan's school play in normalizing his life after the fire accident? Children, this question also can come in the long. After the loss of all his belongings in the fire that ravaged his house, Jan, the narrator, started feeling depressed and embarrassed. At this time, the friendly and helpful actions of his schoolmates changed his understanding of life and people and comforted him emotionally. His schoolmates took up a collection and brought him school supplies, notebooks, and all kinds of clothes, jeans, tops, and sweatshirts. Those who had never spoken to him before came up to him and introduced themselves. Many invited him to their house. This genuine concern touched Jan. He felt relieved and began to believe that everything would be okay. He stopped focusing on his feelings of insecurity and opened up to all the wonderful people around him. The company of his new friends and sharing joys with them made his loneliness vanish and reconnected with him to live. It is question number 3, children. What is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I? Had the author gone anywhere? Why does he say that he is also back? Children, again it is textual question, but it is a long question because you have the short one only. These are all the important ones. Jan's cat was brought back home after more than a month of absence. She had run away due to fear of fire and could not be brought back early as her caller had those phone numbers and had got disconnected due to the fire. Jan too was back to his normal cheerful life. His absence was emotional, unlike the physical absence of his cat. Jan says that he is also back since he wants to point out the return of his faith in the goodness of life. He had drifted away from joys of friendship and comfort of familiarity on moving to a new school. By the time his cat returned, his gratitude for life had also returned in the company of new friends. Question number 4. Now, children, it is not from the text, it is taken from outside. Describe the fire tragedy that struck Jan's house. Children, you will see it is the summary in short, even also because it is given. Okay, just try to understand. If there is any difficult word, I will tell you. What was stoked to keep the house nice and warm? Triggered a major fire break out and turned Jan's house to cinders, left him and his mother devastated. Cinders माने जो कोयला बन जाता है जिसका, और mother को devastated means in the helpless state. At first, Jen only smelled something strange but soon noticed smoke pouring through the seams. Seams means leakage of the ceiling. The smoke filled the room quickly, and Jen and his mother could barely see. Somehow, they groped their way to the front door and ran out into the front yard. No sooner had they made their way outside than the whole roof was engulfed in flames and the fire spread quickly. Jan ran to his neighbors to call the fire department, and his mother ran back into the house and soon came out carrying a small metal box full of important documents. She rushed back into the house to retrieve her husband. It should be her husband's pictures and letters. The only thing she had to remember him by. Again, I am telling you, retrieve means to get back. It took 5 hours to finally put out the fire, but the house was almost completely burned, and there was the sign of Jen's pet cat. Jen feared that she was burnt alive. Now, question number 5. What values in Jan's mother endeared him to her? Jan's mother was his sole support after the death of his father. She carried out her responsibilities as a single parent with complete devotion. Jan loved her a lot and obeyed all that she. Okay, now here the answer that is here, it is starting. She asked him. Like here, you will just see the last is Jen loved. I think like here, uh, she carried out her responsibility. What values? The question is up to here. Endeared him to her. Now answer you can start from Jen's mother. Okay, was his sole support. Okay, Jen loved her a lot and obeyed all that she asked him to do. There is a like I have corrected. Now you see in that way to do because he respected her for her values of devotion towards him. He willingly changed school and tried to adjust to the new environment because he knew his mother was doing everything for his good. She valued memories and knew the significance of the letters and pictures of her late husband. She risked her life to recover these things and thus displayed the value of courage. Her son Jan acknowledged this value when he evaluated the few things that could be saved from the fire, all because of his mother's courage. She possessed the value of emotional strength and hence quickly brought back normalcy to Jan's life by sending him to school the next day after the fire accident. Jan admired her because of her positive values, both as a mother and as a human being. That's why he rushed after her to save her from the fire without worrying about his own safety because he did not want to lose her at any cost. Children, now here these questions are over and these notes are over, then you can just see. Okay, like here. Okay, you will just see it is full over here, right? Now it is okay all. Let me just show you from where the beginning is there so that you will understand. It is like here. This is from here I have given you. These are the long questions and these are the short questions. Okay, I have given you, children, they will be very much helpful to you. You can go through, you can learn them as you feel like from here. Short questions are from here. Okay, take care, bye.